Welcome to Yoga Nidra that will take you into a deep, really beautiful journey to create and enhance heart coherence. Take a few moments to establish yourself on your back, preferably with nothing touching your fingertips. Sometimes it's nice to place a bolster or a pillow underneath your knees. It just has this really delightful way of opening and spreading the lower back, bringing forth a little more ease in that space. And of course, if you find yourself in a light-filled room, then the recommendation is just to place a light piece of material. Sometimes I use a shirt, and you place that over the eyes. Make your final adjustments. And take a few moments to truly transition from where you were, from what you were doing, and feel the sweetness of that turning over, even in the simplicity of closing down your eyes. Maybe a warm rush around your heart center as you now begin to tune in to yourself. Notice the river of your breath. Is there any unease, tension? Sometimes it appears as rushing, shortness. And without coming in with this feeling that you need to fix, rather can you bring a resolve. So just a very sweet intention of resolving the duration of your inhale and the exhale, so that over the next minute or so, the duration becomes equal, balanced, smooth. And as the breath begins to return to that equanimity, what you're doing is you're establishing heart and mind coherence. So here, continue to investigate with a softness in your approach and allowing yourself to dissolve into this effortless rhythm of ease. Notice how the body has become motionless, and yet allowing yourself to feel that soft motion appearing like a pulse, like a wave rising and falling with almost no effort. Can you now allow the breath to become received? In a way you're no longer doing, but rather you are receiving your breath. As the breath becomes received, feel all the edges of your heart melting. With each exhalation, Can you feel any excess tension, contraction, any layers of holding beginning to dissipate? And as there is a loosening here of effort, notice how now the breath is becoming more quiet, serene, almost imperceptible. Feel the environment that surrounds you. And can you feel every particle of air just filled with nurturance? And within it, there is this calm feeling of safety that takes you into these next layers of letting go. Bring your awareness to rest at your heart. Mind and body dissolving, and awareness appears at your heart and simultaneously at the third eye. And between these 2 points, can you feel or sense a sacred stream of energy, almost like a channel, an energetic thread between these 2 points? It may appear as a throb, a pulse, a vibration. And now bring presence at the point of the heart and the right side forehead. And this invisible stream, like an energetic current between the 2 points. Right cheek and the heart. And a thread, a stream of energy between the two. Right side of the body and the heart. And the connection, light, that binds these 2 points. Right thigh and the heart. And the energetic thread that binds the two. Right ankle and the heart. Left ankle and the heart. Left thigh and the heart. left side body, between the hip and the armpit, and this stream of energy connecting to the heart. Left cheek and heart. Left side forehead and heart. And now behind the third eye, so a different point from where we began, midbrain, the guru point, and the heart. Can you now sense, feel, or receive all of these streams of connectivity, all illuminating, pulsating? Can you feel all of those channels appearing at once? And right at the center of it is an ocean of radiance. The heart center alive, full, abundant, open, spacious. And then relax. Mind and body dissolving into sleep. Awareness remains aware at the heart. Rest in the part of you that endures, that which is timeless. Resting on the shores of eternity. Slowly return to the breath. And as you awaken, continue to feel presence unfolding at the heart. And now that the channel between the heart and the mind is more open and clear, take that restfulness, the power of connection, profound clarity with you into the world. Your practice is now complete.